When people talk about investing, they often imagine complicated financial products, flashy apps, or quick money schemes. But the truth is surprisingly simple. There are only three types of investments that have consistently built real wealth throughout history: stocks, real estate, and small businesses. These are called ownership investments, and they share one powerful feature: the ability to grow in value over time. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a piece of a living, breathing business that can innovate, expand, and generate profits. Those profits flow back to you through rising stock prices and dividends. It's this long-term growth that has made the stock market one of the strongest wealth creators for everyday people. Real estate works the same way. When you own property, you own an asset that tends to increase in value as population grows, demand rises, and land becomes more limited. At the same time, real estate can generate ongoing income through rent, giving you both cash flow and appreciation. That's why property ownership has helped ordinary families build wealth over generations. And the third wealth-building engine, small business, is perhaps the most powerful of all. Whether it's a side hustle, an online store, or a full company, a business you own can multiply in value if it grows, scales, and solves real problems. This is exactly how many millionaires and billionaires built their fortunes. What's interesting is that most things people call investments don't actually build long-term wealth. Savings accounts, certificates of deposit, insurance products, and collectibles might feel safe or exciting, but they don't grow enough to beat inflation. They protect money. They don't multiply it. The real path to financial freedom comes from ownership assets that have unlimited upside. They can double, triple, or even 10 times in value because they're tied to productivity, innovation, and human progress. That's why wealthy people focus on owning businesses, owning shares, and owning property. The key takeaway is simple. If you want to move from saving money to building wealth, your strategy must include investments that can grow over time. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to choose ownership, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about owning assets that rise in value while you sleep.